Skehti Jyväskylän Puistokatu 17 Jyväskylä staircase A. This building is from 1956. There were Kone or ventilators, I don't know, but now it's too late to film them. But I have card for this building, but it's too late now. I'm not going to film under staircase. In 2019, and this brand new, pretty late 2019, 43861158, and completed in December. Seventh floor. This modernization is nice, but the original one was much better. Ground floor, or basement. The party was maintained by Kone. Seventh floor. Ground floor. That's